show you how to log into your account online to view your documents and all of your account information, including quotes and bookings. So if you're on our main page of our website, you're going to see up here it says login or register. If you haven't registered, your account does exist and it's under your email address. All you have to do is click on lost your password and fill out your email that you used to get the quote, and then it'll allow you to reset your password. So in this scenario, I'm just going to log in as myself. And then you're going to click, once you're logged in, you're going to click on your account. And you'll see this is your account dashboard. It has all of this information over here on the left. And I want to look at right now a quote that I got. So I'm going to click on my quotes. And this is the quote that I just received. I can download it and look at it. It's going to be in a PDF format. So it's going to do something like that if you're on your computer. And then you'll be able to see your quote. And at the top of the quote, you'll see it says view this document in your portal. That's in your account. New customer or forgot your password, there's a reset password here. This is in your email as well. This is on all of our quotes so that you know how to get back to your account online. So we'll go back here, and then it's the same for your bookings. You'll be able, if you ever had a booking with us, you'll be able to download it. If you ever made payments, you'll see all your payments there. You'll see your signed rental agreements. And then up here actually has to do with this website. It keeps your wish lists, information about yourself, and your addresses. And then it has the carts that you previously submitted. And this is, if you called on over the phone, then you won't have this. But if you used our website as intended, it will actually just save your cart so that you can work with it. And then you can go in and you can edit it, you can update items. It's very convenient. And that's how you use the Just for Fun Party Rentals account login.